Hey, the Gadget Man here with nothing but gadgets, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this Tonor TC777 USB condenser microphone. So 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Okay guys, so this was sent to me by the Tonor company. This is the TC777 or 777 USB condenser microphone. I'm actually recording this video with another studio microphone that was sent to me by the Tonor company a long time ago. It's a little different from this one. It's the clamp-on style where the arm and everything come out. This is a more tabletop one, so I'm really excited to put it into testing and see how it does. So let's break it out of the box. Alright, so got the user manual, got a little pop filter there, and it's pretty simple. This is the basic little microphone. Let me set the box out of the way. Okay. Comes pretty much attached to this little tripod. Spread those legs out there. Okay, good, good. Get that tripod all spread out. Got your USB cord. It's got your little foam muff thing there, and this simply just screws on right here. Let me screw that on. Okay, that's bendy there, so you can do that. You know, pretty simple setup, not much to it. Well, let me go ahead and hook it up and we'll do some testing with it and we'll see how it does. Alright guys, so I'm back and I did some testing with it and I'm going to show you the results of that testing. I want you to know that the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded by this little microphone right here. And so how I tested it was I used this little Once Angle 3 little speaker which just has amazing quality sound out of it. And I downloaded a song from the YouTube free audio library so that I don't have any copyright issues when I play it on my YouTube videos here. And I used this to play the song over and over again, and I recorded on 4 different devices. And the reason I use this is because I want a very consistent level of sound and consistent level of quality, and so that I can record on all 4 devices and I can let you listen to each one, so there's no variance, no ability. Like if you're just recording your voice goes up and down and it's hard to really get a balance. So using something like this and using a single track of a certain song over and over again, it gives you a better idea of how good the microphone is actually doing compared to others. And a lot of microphone tests, it's really hard to tell. So what I'm going to start off by doing first is just letting you hear the pure raw clip that I use just straight. It's not recorded on a microphone. It comes straight clip. So I'm going to add it to this right now, and I'm going to let you listen to it. Okay, so you heard that. Now, you know, I wanted to compare it to something which most people have. So what I've got here is my first test device was just a simple smartphone. This is a Galaxy S8 smartphone, and I just wanted to let you listen to what just a smartphone microphone recorded, capturing the sound from this little speaker here is going to sound like. So here's that clip. Okay, so now the second test device was this right here. This is my on-camera microphone. This is a Rode Video Micro. It's a little on-camera microphone I use when I'm using my camera out in the field and stuff. It's a very good quality, professional quality on-camera microphone. And so I recorded the same track with this right here, so I'm going to let you listen to that. Okay, so the third recording device is actually my other Tonor studio microphone, which is this right here. You can't hardly see it. I'll try to get it in the screen there for you. But it's mounted to my desk here that I'm recording on, so I can't hardly move it. But you can see it right here. That I used it to record also the same track, so I'm going to let you listen to that. And now I'm going to let you listen to the audio, same exact setup, recorded with this little 777 microphone from Tonor. Okay, so there's really no better way for me to give you a better example of how well this thing does by that sample right there. You have a smartphone, a high quality on-camera microphone, another studio microphone, which I record all of my Gadget Man videos are all recorded on the other Tonor microphone, and then this one right here. So you can listen through those. And that's about as best as I can give you a sample. And of course you can hear me talking right here. This is all audio captured on this little microphone right here. So I will let you be the judge of the quality, because your ear is different than mine. I think it did pretty good. It sounded good when I recorded on it. It sounded as good as my other studio microphone. So I'll leave that up to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Remember, I will place a link to this in the description of the video. Just look underneath the video box. You should see it there. I'll also place links to these other products in case you're interested in them underneath the video. Click on the show more. You'll see that. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.